Hey, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to post on X. Open X application on your phone and tap blue plus sign at the bottom right corner of your screen to start a new post. So here in this text box you can type whatever that you want to say. Additionally, if you want to, you can add some photos or videos by tapping here. So tap add, or you can add some GIFs to your post, or even you can add a poll. And optional, you can adjust who can reply to your post by tapping reply settings right here. So you can set everyone, verified accounts that you follow, or only accounts that you mention. Yes, so when you're happy with your post, tap post at the top right, and done, your post is live. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.